Video cannot be posted on Instagram problem fix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, check on the Play Store application. Here, search for the Instagram application on the search bar. So let's search for Instagram. And as you can see, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and then make a long press on Instagram, then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, just scroll down and tap on the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner. As you tap on Clear Data, clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now, tap on the app permissions and make sure you have toggled on all the required options over here. As you do that, you can just go back and relaunch the Instagram application and this might help you fix the issue. If not, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.